Okay, this is Christy getting ready for her first.
Well, sort of.
Okay, is there anything you want to say before you get ready for school?
Well, what do you think my kids' names would be and stuff?
I don't know.
My friends. Well, I know I met my teacher already. She's pretty nice. I just had a dream last night that she'd yell at me or something.
You did?
But not if I be good.
You got a real nice teacher. Alright, let's
I'm
get...
sure. My friend Stacy said that she's mean.
She's nice.
She better be. Else I'm switching teachers.
You'll be fine.
Well, bye.
Alrighty.
Stacy.
Okay, guys. First day of school for Stacy and Christy. Smile pretty.
Come on.
Wave. Smile.